Select Synchro. Small footprint.
It always depends on the product, of course, but a job that was going to require a machine that was 17 meters long, we were able to accomplish in this 2.5 meter long machine. A lot of it goes into the programming algorithm, so a customer doesn't have to do anything that they haven't already experienced on other selective soldering equipment to create a program. Then we're able to distribute that program across 5 solder bonds in the system, where more traditionally you're going to have 1 to 2 inside of a single module. To go beyond that, a customer will have to purchase multiple units, increasing footprint, increasing costs, resources. So we've packed a very large system down into a small footprint by doing it this way.
Synchro. Join the revolution. Non-stop selective soldering. Increase UPH. Reduce maintenance. Small footprint. Contact us today for more details.